All right, let's see if we can do a little navigation video about the Canvas course. So this is the page that we are on, Finding Your Way Around Canvas. At the bottom of the page, if you hover over the previous or the next button, you can see the name of the page that's coming up. You can click on it to get to the next page. If you want to use the modules, we were just in the Start Here module. We started on the Finding Your Way Around Canvas page. We went to the Student Information Survey page. So if you come back later and you just want to pick up where you left off instead of going through all the pages, that's an easy way to do that. Let's look at some of the other modules that are showing right now. The Zoom link has the Zoom room for discussions or office hours. Let's click there. So we have the actual Zoom link. It's a few places in Canvas you can find the Zoom link. And here is a schedule of our classes, when I'll be in Zoom for office hours, when I will not be in Zoom because I'll be in lab. Okay, also in this Zoom link module, I still have to update the chemistry tutor hours. I haven't received them yet, but I will put the hours when people are at the tutoring center to help with any questions you might have. So here are some discussions. This one is supposed to be about the course material. This one is supposed to be more informal, the same way students would chat in the hallway about restaurant recommendations, hiking spots, the latest movie that you like. You can put anything you want over there, and things that have to do with the course should go here. And I will be monitoring this one, and if you see a question in here that you know the answer to or can help with, then definitely feel free to jump in. We're going to try to find ways to keep you guys communicating with each other. And then these are the first chemistry material module. We have a little bit of an overview of the sources of material, some videos, some stuff about lab. Before you come to lab, please take a look at these 2 pages. We need to know a little bit about what we're doing in lab before we get there. So I just clicked onto this first page in the week 1 module. There is a link to the textbook here. All right, let's take a look at the syllabus page. So this has a link to our liquid syllabus and also the people page, the directory at MJC that has a PDF of the syllabus. We also have a link to our textbook here as well. Oh, magic. I have a link to the PDF of the note packet in case you don't yet have it from the bookstore. And we have a schedule of topics, the weeks that are coming up, the lab experiment that we're doing in lab. The exams will be taken during lab also. So there are some weeks that there aren't any, but most weeks during lab, at the very beginning of lab, we will have a short exam worth 50 points. And then the final exam is scheduled for Tuesday, the 7th of December. If you go down to the bottom of the syllabus page, the upcoming assignments are listed in order by date. Let's take a look at the grades page. You can also find the assignments by date on the grades page. It might be more helpful to list them by assignment group, just because the very top assignments that I have listed are your running totals for homework points, discussion points, and total points in the class. So that might be useful to see what your standing is. All right, and one more thing, let's just take a look at the textbook. So the textbook is available. You can order a hard copy off Amazon. If you click here, you can download the PDF. You can just look at it online. You can see the table of contents, or you could view it online. So here we have the textbook. The first chapter is kind of more of an introduction, but it goes along with the numbering that's in the note packet.